Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little shoe for a cluster shoe. You can make it for a small size, large or medium. So let's start. First of all, I am using 1.60 chain 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now skip one. In the second one make single crochet, then in 8 stitches chain make single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now make a half double crochet. Now in 8 stitches make 8 double crochet. 1 8 double crochet in 8 stitches. Now I have my last chain and I will make 5 double crochet into the last chain. 2 excuse me. I did my 5 double crochet in the last one, so make 8 double crochet into the next 8 stitches. 3 I did my 8 double crochet. Now half double crochet into the next stitch. Now 8 single crochet into the next 8 single crochet. 2 3. Now into the last stitch I will make 3 single crochet. 1 2 and 3 and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. My first round. Now chain 1 and make single crochet. Now make single crochet for 17 times. 2 3 4. Now in the 5 double crochet make 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Now after it make 18 single crochet in 18 stitches. 18 single crochet. Now in the last I have 3 stitches in which I will do 2 single crochet in each stitch. In every stitch I will do 2 single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and make 17 single crochet in 17 stitches. Now in the next stitches I will make 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 1. So I will do it for 5 times. 2 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single in the next, 1 in next. So make it for 5 times. Now make single crochet in 18 stitches. Single crochet in 18 stitches. Now I did my 18 single crochet. Into the next stitch I will make 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet into the next, 2 in the next. So make for 3 times. Now make chain 1 single crochet and now make 8 single crochet, five, 6, 7 and 8. Half double crochet into the next and double crochet into the next 8 stitches. Now after making 8 double crochet I will make in one stitch 2 double crochet, in 2 stitches 1 double crochet. So do it for 5 times. In next I will making 2 double crochet, in the next 2 I will do 1 double crochet. So make it for 5 times. Now again 2 double crochet, two double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Make it for 5 times. Now make 8 double crochet in the next stitches. 2, 3, 4. Now after 8 half double crochet and make 8 single crochet into the next. Now make 2 single crochet into the next, 2 single crochet, 1 into the 2 stitches. In the third one make again 2 twice a single crochet. Now again 2 and again 2 and again 2. So now this is my sole and fasten it. Now I will make cluster to all over of it. I am using orange color. Oh, sorry. One, 2, 3 and make a cluster in the same again make a pull. When you have 3 pull throughout of it. Now chain 1 and skip 1. In the next make another cluster. 1, 2. Now this is skip 1 in the next 1. So make it all over till to the end. Now cut off the yarn and make a slip stitch. I will make another this color, the sole color. In the space I will make 3, 1, 2 and pull it, make chain 1. In the next space, this space, make another cluster, chain 1. In the next space, make another cluster. So make this cluster all over till to the end, and again make the orange color all over till to the end. 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. Then I will meet you. Now I make 2 rows. Now I put stitch marker. I count 11 clusters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I will start my decrease from this side. So let me start my color orange and make cluster to the stitch marker. Now make cluster 1 and 2 and make cluster chain 1. In the next space make another cluster and chain 1 and into the next. So make it till to this side. Now I reach to my stitch marker, so I will start my decrease from this side, 2 together. Now stop here, again turn in the next cluster space, make another one and pull through all of it, chain 1. Now next see, it will look like this. Oh, sorry. Oh, make 5 decreases. Again in the next, now how many it is? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one more time. One more time, 6 cluster. One more time, 6 decreases, sorry. See, it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now make cluster till to the end. Now change my color and we'll make last decrease of the shoe. So make cluster till to the decrease side. Come to this. Now I reach to my decrease place, so I will make 3 decreases of cluster like this into the next and pull it at once in the next into the next and pull it again into the next and into the next. Now make cluster into all spaces till to the end. Now my last row I will make single crochet all over till to the end. In every stitch make single crochet. So make single crochet all over till to the end. Now my shoe is complete. Look how beautiful it is. So you can make it for a small size, medium size, large size, it's up to you, and try it at home. I hope you can put pom-pom on it or a flower or whatever you want. So I hope you will like it. We'll see you in next video with new pattern inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.